Meaning of heir.
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 Heir. The word heir refers to a person who inherits or is entitled to inherit the property, title, or privileges of another person who has died. Typically, heirs are family members such as children or spouses, but they can also be designated by the deceased person's will. Inheritance can involve a range of assets, including money, real estate, and personal belongings. In some cases, inheritance can be a complex and contentious process, involving legal disputes, tax implications, and emotional challenges for those involved. Nonetheless, the concept of inheritance has been a fundamental part of human society for centuries.